5 body language mistakes that instantly kill your social value and authority. You're doing something right now that's destroying your authority. Your body is broadcasting low status before you even speak. Here are 5 body language mistakes that instantly kill your social value and make people unconsciously dismiss you. Mistake number 1, the nervous fidget. Repetitive movements, hands tapping, feet jiggling, playing with objects, touching your face, adjusting your clothing. Research shows that people who remain physically still during conversations are perceived as more confident and authoritative. Fidgeting signals anxiety, impatience, and discomfort. Your brain's emotion center, the amygdala, reacts immediately to these signals and interprets them as nervousness and low status. People unconsciously rate you as less competent and less trustworthy. One nervous gesture triggers observers to look for more. Confirmation bias kicks in. They've already decided you're low status. Now they're collecting evidence. Job interviews, negotiations, presentations. Fidgeting destroys perceived competence. The fix is simple. Record yourself in conversations and see what others see. Lightly clasp your hands or rest them on your lap. Give your hands a purpose, and calm your nervous energy with slow breathing. Mistake number 2, the closed posture. Crossed arms, crossed legs, hunched shoulders, body turned away, chest collapsed. Research shows these signals communicate defensiveness, discomfort, and disinterest. Your body is subconsciously trying to protect you from perceived threats, but observers interpret this as insecurity and submission. Closed body language lowers trust and engagement. You become less approachable. Connections fail. Networking opportunities disappear. The fix: keep your arms relaxed at your sides. Maintain an open chest. When sitting, avoid tightly crossed legs, and allow yourself to take up natural space without shrinking. Mistake number 3, submissive eye contact. Avoiding eye contact, looking down, darting eyes. Research shows low-status individuals often break eye contact first. Avoiding eye contact communicates insecurity and social anxiety. People who avoid eye contact are perceived as less trustworthy and less confident. Your authority disappears instantly. You get overlooked, interrupted, dismissed. Eye contact builds trust and credibility. Without it, connections fail. The solution is the 3 to 5 second rule. Maintain eye contact for 3 to 5 seconds before briefly looking away. Aim for eye contact about 60 to 70% of the conversation, and always look at people while you speak. Not at notes, not over their heads, at them. Mistake number 4, the weak handshake. A limp grip, barely touching. Pulling your hand away too quickly. Research shows handshakes activate multiple brain regions associated with trust and positive impressions. A weak handshake does the opposite. People instantly judge confidence and competence from it. But there's also a paradox. An overly aggressive, finger-crushing handshake signals insecurity. You're trying too hard. The correct handshake is firm but comfortable, full palm contact. The web of your hand meets the other person's web. Hold for about 2 seconds and match the other person's grip pressure. Mistake number 5, excessive agreement. Constant nodding, always saying yes, never pushing back. Over-agreeing signals that you're seeking approval, that you're the subordinate. People who constantly agree are seen as having no independent opinions, no backbone, no leadership presence. Leaders don't agree with everything. They bring perspectives. They challenge ideas. The fix is strategic disagreement. Respectfully share different viewpoints. Moderate your nodding. Pause before agreeing. And sometimes say, "I see your point, and here's another angle." All 5 of these mistakes have one thing in common. They are physical signals of internal anxiety or low self-confidence. Your body language communicates status instantly, often before you even say a word. But here's the good news. These are habits, not personality traits. Habits can be changed. Start today. Record yourself and identify which mistake you make most. Then focus on fixing just one. Practice in low-pressure situations first. Then apply it in meetings, interviews, and conversations that matter. Replace fidgeting with stillness. Replace closed posture with openness. Replace avoiding eyes with confident eye contact. Replace weak handshakes with firm, natural ones. And replace constant agreement with thoughtful responses. Your body language reflects your internal state. Work on genuine confidence, and with practice, these behaviors will become automatic. Stop broadcasting low status. Start commanding respect. Your authority depends on it.